Just mentioned Doody before, and I miss him. I miss him even more now. So we're going to cross to our roving reporter, Daniel Doody. He's on the northern beaches of New South Wales. Doody, what's happening where you are?
Yes. Oh, the Great Barrier Reef, Northern Territory. Oh, hey guys, I'm just planning my next trip. I'm down here at NRMA, Sydney Lakeside in Narrabeen, and I'm on, he's a big boy, the big rig. Did you know that there's been an increase in people renovating their motorhomes? And I thought I might chat to a few of the owners, and it's quite nice up here. It hasn't rained just yet. So I'm going to come down. I'm going to find the owner. Where is Ronnie? Oh, hopefully when you...
How cool.
When Macca comes in, you don't see my crack. I made sure that I tighten up my belt. And where is Ronnie? Oh, here we go.
Morning, Doody.
G'day,
Morning,
mate.
Studio 10. How you going?
Good. How you going?
Good, mate. Good.
Firstly, this is a big rig. Tell us about the layout.
Yeah, sure. Well, look, we have the bedroom at the back, AC, wardrobe, full-size bathroom, washing machine, dryer, fridge, dishwasher, stove, grill. It's got the works.
Ronnie, is it safe to say it's like a luxury apartment on wheels?
Correct. Yeah. That was the aim when me and my wife converted. Actually, we wanted to make it as luxurious as possible whilst travelling around Australia.
And so tell us a bit about Big Rig. So Big Rig was obviously a bus way back when. How long did it take for you to renovate?
Big Rig was born in 1990, same age as me, and we started at end of 21. It took us 9 months to convert. And we set out on the road around Australia, did the hot lap.
Oh, fantastic! And you could see it's got a lot of quirky features. You've got the kitchen there, and just up the top here, what's this?
That's our home cinema for when we Netflix and chill. And look, quirky. Obviously, the balcony, great for sunsets on the road.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's go outside here, and Big Rig here. Look, if someone is wanting to sort of purchase a motorhome, what advice would you give to them?
Look, I would say the best advice, hit up Camplify. You can try before you buy.
Yeah.
They've got a great range of motorhomes, which you can hire this or others before you actually go and purchase one.
All right, fantastic. All right, well, we're going to have some breakfast and back to you guys in the studio. See you later.
That looks amazing. Doesn't it?
Would you live in it?
I'd go on a trip. I'd go on a holiday.
Sure, I would,
Sure, yeah.
There's everything in there.
I know.
Checking out renovated motorhomes this morning. Doody, have you mowed into a motorhome yet?
Oh, what a beautiful morning, gang. Look what I bought for us for Studio 10. Have a look. Check this out. A little motorhome here. We've got a kitchenette there. We've got a bed here. Narelda, Ange, myself on the bed, and Tristan driving. Let's go meet the owner. Bree, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Tell us about Tully.
Tully, she's from Retro RV Northern Beaches. You can hire her on Camplify. She's actually a part of a franchise group called Retro RV. We have several locations all over Australia.
Oh, she is so amazing and bright as well.
Yeah, she's an awesome colour. You can't miss her.
Hey, what do you love about travelling?
I love just experiencing the east coast of Australia, and especially Tully. She's restored with a Subaru engine, so modern reliability. I make sure I get to my location on time.
Bree, thank you so much. I love Tully. Let's go chat to another owner. Let's go meet Joe. This is Joe's beautiful girl. Nice wooden kitchen panels here. Beautiful bed as well. Little kitchenette here, little sink there. And let's go chat to her. Let's go. Come on. Let's go say hi. Oh, Joe, hello.
Hey, Doody. How you doing?
Oh, tell me about your motorhome.
Bertie is my baby. Nature inspired, obviously. Little signs to remind you to breathe, relax, and just enjoy our beautiful country.
And that is your motto. It's all about really taking it in and immersing yourself in nature.
Absolutely. And people who hire Bertie, they want that nature experience. Even if it's for a night, they can go out and they can free camp. She's off grid. So they can just enjoy her for however long they want and just get back in touch with our beautiful country.
And for first timers as well, in terms of people wanting to explore and buy a motorhome, would you recommend trying before they buy?
Absolutely. Actually, we have quite a few people who've hired Bertie have admitted to me they just saw her on Camplify and they're like, wow, we want to see the design. We want inspiration for our own motorhome. So that is very common, actually, yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Joe, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Booty, you look like you need a drink, buddy.
Doody Booty does need a bit of a drink. Back to you guys in the studio. Oh.